Hello, this is Gare, and today I wanted to show you how to add custom sounds on iOS 17. When you go into the sound settings, you see there's nowhere on there where you can have custom sounds. To get around this, you'll have to make a shortcut. Browse around for the sound you want. We'll use the iMessage as an example. My current message. Delete. Once you've found the sound, you'll want to do play sound, vibrate device, and all this stuff is optional. And then you want to go to your automation and look for this one. And then you're going to want to select under the sender. You want to choose all of your contacts and then choose the shortcut you just created. Then you're going to want it to set it to run immediately. That's how you get custom sounds. This only works with email and iMessage at the moment, but I'm hoping that Apple will add more options for other types of notifications in the Shortcuts app in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, and support me by buying from my stores. All the links are in the description. Goodbye.